This tutorial shows how to visually stack content cards in Photoshop using custom shapes, a technique commonly used in dashboards and presentations. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a clean canvas. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a rounded rectangle in the center to act as the front card. Change its fill color to white. Duplicate this shape twice and place the duplicate slightly behind and offset to the sides, darkening their colors for depth. Resize the back card slightly smaller so the front card stays dominant. Add heading and body text to the front card using the Type tool. Apply a soft drop shadow to the front card only. Zoom out and review. The stacked content layout now feels layered.